Hello, in this video, I will show you how to change the wallpaper on your HryFine Smartwatch. The first step is to connect the smartwatch to your phone. Make sure that your watch is using the HryFine application by scanning the QR code on the watch or in the instruction manual. If your watch is using any other application, you can find videos on my channel for these smartwatches. Install the application on your phone. Turn on Bluetooth and GPS location on your phone, and make sure that your phone has an internet connection. Open the application on your phone and follow the steps shown in the video to connect your smartwatch to your phone. You will need to enter a username and some personal details to access the application. Once connected, the time and date will update automatically on the smartwatch. Now, follow the steps shown in the video to change the wallpaper on your smartwatch to any picture from your phone. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel.